guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting day because I got my Kimmy Luxe package. I am so excited, you guys. I have been waiting for this for, it's been over a month. I ordered it March 1st and today is currently April 14th. That's okay because I knew that it would probably take a long time to get to me just because it is like a custom thing, and watched other unboxings and stuff, and I know that it does take a little while for her to put it together and ship them out and everything, and she has a lot of orders. So I actually had to email yesterday. Was it yesterday? No, actually it was Monday. And let's see, I emailed them just to make sure that they hadn't forgot about me because, you know, people are human and they sometimes forget things. So I sent an email just to double check that she had my order because we were getting into April and I still didn't have it. So yeah, I emailed her and I was like, hey girly, I was just confirming my order from last month. I purchased the birthday box and I still have not received it or any shipping information. Emailed me back and said, hello, Courtney Doll. Thank you for contacting us. Hope you're doing well. Pink heart emoji. Please know that your Ultra Luxe Girly box is scheduled for pickup tomorrow. My apologies for this delay. We had a higher volume of boxes than usual in the month of March. Once your package is picked up, please be sure to keep an eye out for the pink package in the mail. You will receive an email tomorrow with your tracking details. And sure enough, I said, no worries, thank you for the update. And sure enough, they sent me an email with all my tracking stuff, and it said that it wasn't going to be here until Friday, but it's Wednesday and it's here and I'm so happy. I can't flip it around because it's got my address and everything on it, but it does say fragile, and it says fragile on the front with a little heart. I love it. So you guys, I came home and I saw it in my kitchen because my husband brought it in, and I was so excited. I could not wait to open it. This is exciting. Okay, so let's see what we got. Let me just get the pink. Why do you even get pink packaging like this? This is so cute. It is raining outside, so it is a little wet, but that's okay. It's just the outside bag. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's my box, and I'm gonna save it forever. I'm gonna put it on my little display thing. Oh no, it's wet. It's got a little bit of a wet spot, but this is the box. I am so happy. Kimmy Luxe Dolls Girly box. It is all taped up and sealed. Oh my gosh, look at this bow. Stop. I love it. Okay, so it's all taped up, and it says thank you with a little heart. So it's all taped up and sealed, so I'm just gonna open it up. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, so dear Luxe Doll, thank you for allowing me to be your personal shopper. I hope you love the items I picked up for you this month. I hope to shop for you again next month. Remember, you are fabulous. Always blonde, Kimmy. I love it. So I purchased this for my birthday. You guys know that my birthday was last month, March 24th. So she sent a little birthday card, and oh my gosh, it's got little crystals on it. I'm obsessed. So it says, happy birthday, Courtney Doll. May all your pink and girly dreams come true. And she gave me a special code for special savings, XO. Look how cute. Let me just cover that up, but look, it's got little gems on it. Oh, I love it. All about my March Girly box. Okay, so it's got the items that I have and the prices on it. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Dolly XO. I love it. Okay, so what should I open first? You guys, I'm so excited. Okay, well, the first thing that I'm seeing is, what? Oh my gosh, I didn't even know this was a thing. So this is Pure X Barbie. I guess it's a collab. Pure Cosmetics are amazing. First of all, I love them. So it's a Pure Cosmetics X Barbie collab. I do have the eyeshadow palette, the Barbie eyeshadow palette, but I didn't know they did a mask. This is a brightening peel off mask. I think it might be glitter because it says glitterily pink. I love it. So this video is basically gonna be me like freaking out over everything that I got. Okay, so yeah, this is a brightening peel off mask. I'm so excited to use this. I love it already. So the next thing that I got, I don't know what this is, but it's so cute. It looks like a princess crown. I don't remember how many products I'm supposed to get in here. Let's tie it in a bow. In here. Is this anything? I love this. I don't know what it is, but I like it. It looks like a princess crown. That is so cute. Looks like there's something in here. My nails are kind of, I need to get them redone. So here's a little sticker and it says thank you. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's a Chanel belly button ring. That is so cute. Let's see what else. Kimmy Luxe dolls. It's a phone case. Yay! I'm so happy. Like, that's really what I wanted. I was dying to get a phone case. So this is a phone case, and here's the little packaging that it came in. Logan is joining us. Oh my gosh, why can't I get it out? Ah, yay! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I really, really, really wanted a Chanel inspired one, and that's what I got. Yay, I love it. I'm so happy. Oh my god, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, so this is the case. This is the back. Oh my gosh, I love it. And it's got a little thing so you can hold your credit cards and stuff. Oh my gosh, I love it. So it's got a little wristlet too, and it's even got a little Chanel. So I have my phone right here, and I've been needing a new case forever now. I would actually probably need to put a pop socket on here because I love my pop socket. I love being able to stand up my phone. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna leave my phone in here for now. Look, I can wear it as like a little wristlet. This is perfect. I love this. This is just a cute little pink heart. Okay, so we have a little pink box. It comes with a little pink bow, and I love it. What is it? I didn't really read the card that said everything that came with it. So cute. Everything is so cute. I'm probably saying cute a million times, but I don't care because everything's so cute. Ooh. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love this. And I'm wearing like a little white skirt. And this would go perfect with what I'm wearing right now. Love it. Oh my gosh, stop. And look, it's got little, oh, you might be able to hear the rain. It's really coming down outside. Yeah. Oh my gosh, you guys, stop. Look at these little rhinestone hearts. Okay, let's see what's next. Too. Okay. We have another gift. Kimmy Luxe dolls. I love this. So, everything is so beautiful. This is gorgeous. Okay, so this says Kimmy Luxe dolls, New England. You guys, I can't even. Oh my gosh. Look how cute this is. Oh my goodness. How do you open it? It's an eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh, you guys. I can't wait to try this. And it's got a mirror in it. This is seriously the cutest eyeshadow palette that I've ever owned. Probably the cutest. Like this with the little chain and the heart. I love it. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow palette. I really, really want to wear this one. This says, Dearest Luxe doll, Kimmy has designed this palette just for a princess like you. Bring your pink luxury looks to life with this beautiful 6-shade eyeshadow palette. Each shade name represents a special place and memory in Kimmy's life. Experience the magic and fantasy in pink. XOXO, always blonde. Kimmy Luxe dolls. And then we have one more thing in here. There's so many. I have to show you guys. There's just like a bunch of little hearts in here, little glitter hearts. Okay, so the last thing that I got, it feels really heavy. Oh, wow. Girl Power Self-Care Rose and Aloe Exfoliating Body Scrub. This is gorgeous. Wow. Oh, it's sealed. So I can't really do a smell test, but that's good because that's totally sanitary. But I love this packaging. How beautiful. I can't wait to use this. I'm actually due for another tan, so I do need to exfoliate before I tan again. But I love this. That is everything that I got in my Girly box. There might be supposed to be one more thing in here because I don't see. I don't know. I think because there's I'm not seeing it anywhere, but okay, so we have the Crystal Chanel belly ring, the Queen Bee phone case, self-care set of 2, Barbie glitter and scrub, Sabrina silk top, purse shadow palette, and then it says CC brooch. But I don't see a brooch anywhere. Am I missing it? I'm really kind of confused. Well, I'm gonna keep looking around and see if maybe I can find it. Let me just really dig through everything to see if I can find it. If not, I think it's missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But overall, I am so happy with everything that I got. I am in love with everything that she got me. Oh. So the box says pink delivery for a very special girl. I love that. Yeah, I am super in love with everything that I got. I'm so happy. I definitely recommend getting a Kimmy Luxe doll box if you are a girly girl like me and you love the color pink. I love all things pink, glam, Chanel, princess. You should definitely get a box. I am totally satisfied. The only thing that kind of was a con is the amount of time that it took, but I don't care. I'm okay with it. I am totally happy with everything that I got. Just be prepared to wait a little bit after you place your order to actually receive it. But now that I have got everything, I'm so happy, and I love everything. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna get off here and I'm gonna play with my new stuff, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time watching me, please consider subscribing to my channel. I love the color pink. I'm very girly. I'm very glam. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. What was your favorite item? I will see you guys in my next video.